Hello guys, welcome to After Effects 2026. In this video, I want to show you how to control or create 3D models without using 3D plugins. So let's create a new composition and right here, test project. And the most important part in Adobe After Effects 2026 is select Advanced 3D to control your 3D models and materials, extrude, bevel materials, and more. So click OK. And now we'll go to fit your screen and now I need to create a sample 3D models to animate, to apply lighting and control. Go to tools and select one of these 3D objects. Create like this. Okay. And now move it to center of the screen, center. So guys, take a look. When you select your 3D model, press R to rotate. Rotate 90 degree. Press S for scale. Scale to move it down. So guys, and now I need to apply light. Go to select light, control apply the lighting. Click OK. OK. Here you have lighting and go to top, take a look, make a little bit closer and Control D, set one light right there and change the light color from here to make blue lighting. So if you need to use another different lights, select Control D once again and set here and change to this one and select another one. Control D, duplicate once again, set right there and change the color of the lighting in green. Okay. So guys, and now I need to duplicate. I need to duplicate the model. Select the model, go to left, take a look. Control D to duplicate, set here, duplicate, set here, duplicate, set here. Select the first one, duplicate, duplicate, and duplicate. So go back to your camera view and create a camera, 20 millimeter, click OK. And now you can control animate your camera like this. So if you need to select all of them and press R, rotate from the Z axis like this. Control the Z axis, control it like this. And there you can control, select all and close. Take a look guys. Go back to left view, select this one and rotate. Select another one and rotate this one too. rotate all of them. So guys, let's go back to your camera view. Here you can see. So let's zoom in again. Set to center point view. Select your camera and zoom out. Zoom from here and press P for the position. Stopwatch. Go to second tree and zoom. Zoom again. Sit right there. Zoom again. Sit here and zoom again. Like this. When you zoom, you can see 3D space like this. Select, move little bit up and go to your camera, select to 15 millimeters, click OK. Here, this scene is created by 3D Objects Tools. Select your end keyframe to make easy. Play now. Here it is. Okay guys, you can create a new solid right here, background, and move it down here and go to apply when, double click and change the position of the colors like this and swap the color and change this one. Move and set this one right there. Let's change. Click OK. So guys, this was about how to use 3D tools or 3D advanced render in Adobe After Effects. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.